Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with, yes, my Easter tablescape. I know that I recently shared one with you before, which was my islandscape for two, but I just wanted to show you a little more fun one, a little more whimsical, more color that I have done on my kitchen table. So if you want to see all the items that I have, stay tuned. So let's get into this place setting, and I want to pull it apart just a little bit so I can show you the different layers that I have added to this place setting. So the first thing that I have down is I have a beautiful placemat that's gold, and you have seen this before in some tablescape or another that I have done. And then I added this octagonal charger plate. Love the shape, absolutely love the shape. And I believe I found that at the thrift store. They were like $3 for the four of them. The next piece I added was this square plate, but because I want to continue with my angles and my shapes, I just turned it this way so that I can have the points showing on different angles. And a lot of times I do my plate settings and people say, oh, where did you get that plate? It's just the square plate. You just need to just turn it around until you get the angle that you like. Then I added this blue plate, and this beautiful blue plate came from the Dollar Tree. And on top of that, I added this little novelty saucer, and I got this set of 4 in a nice little round box at a yard sale for $5. That was sometime last summer. Absolutely beautiful. So there are 4 of them, and 2 of them have the exact same pattern, and the other 2 that I have on the ends, I will show that to you real soon. The next thing I added was my napkins. And this is an oldie but goodie that I also scored at the thrift store. And I have used this beautiful, beautiful napkin ring that I won in a recent competition on Divine Inspirations by Martha from that channel. So thank you, Martha. I definitely wanted to incorporate it into this space. I've also used this wine glass, which is light blue, beautiful, that complements the place setting really well. And these were also thrifted. I think I paid $3 for them at a thrift store. And guys, as I go throughout the table, as always, most of the items that I have on here have been thrifted, so don't be surprised. I love to reuse my things in different form, different fashion. I mainly shop my home for a lot of these items that you see on here. Now let's talk about this centerpiece. Firstly, I have this beautiful Easter sign, and just to elevate it a little bit, they're actually sitting on 2 napkin rings that are gold, just to give it a little bit of height so it wasn't so sitting so flat in the tray itself. The tray is a butler's tray. I paid $4 for it recently. I featured it in one of my most recent hauls where I went to Marshall's and they were having like a end of season sale. So I paid $4 for this tray. The beautiful eggs, also featured in my last haul. I got these at Hobby Lobby for $6.99 with 40% off. And this beautiful chubby bunnies, as I call them, that you see sitting here off to the side, these I actually thrifted as well last year. I honestly can't remember how much I paid for them, but I got it at the thrift store. It was really not much at all. And this beauty right here, you know this vase. This was also hauled in one of my videos. I bought it at Burlington a couple months ago, right after Christmas. And I think this one I paid $5.99 for. And the greenery with the pink tulips on the top, those came from the Dollarama, and I got these last year right during this time during the Easter season. The egg here is sitting on just like a little round bowl that I got at the Dollar Tree. And what I did was I just put the little flower buds in it that are pink, just to kind of give it a little bit of color because the tray is so white. And I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And over here, I just added this bunny. I bought this one also in Target last Easter. And just moving over to the other side of the tray, I have a cupcake stand that has these cute, adorable little bunnies. And these are salt and pepper shakers. Aren't those absolutely gorgeous? I just love the way the whole thing turned out. Very fun, very whimsical, very colorful. I think it looks beautiful. Moving over to the chair, I have added these pillows that I hauled again recently. And it says, "He is risen," because Easter is all about the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ. So I wanted to make sure that I incorporated that into this look, just to make sure that, you know what, we understand that Easter is not about the bunny and the, you know, the food that we eat and everything, but it is indeed because of Christ why we celebrate Easter. So I wanted to share with you again, this is the plate with the other style lady. Beautiful, looking like she's almost a ballerina, trying to, you know, stand on her tippy toes. I'm not sure how she's doing that because she has heels on, but I guess she is so poised that she's able to do, you know, her ballet stance while she's wearing heels. So I have these two on each end of the table, and the other one again, she's styled differently, and this one is also on the other side of the table. I absolutely love these and really enjoyed incorporating them in this tablescape. So much color, so much vibrance, so much, you know, beauty. Just love the different colors. And Easter time, springtime, that's where you can really, you know, dig in and really put those colors to work for you. I wanted to make sure that I stuck to the gold undertones, because I think at this time of the year, with everything coming up so fresh, so nice, so bright, that gold is definitely working with this look. So this is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, I welcome you with open arms. I would love for you to become a penny pincher by hitting the subscribe button below. And so you don't miss an upload from me ever, hit that notification bell as well. That way you can see more videos such as this, and you will be the first to know. And to all my beautiful penny pinchers, thank you guys so much, as always. And until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher, Shalom, is saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.